A common misinterpretation of the p-value that I often hear is that the p-value is the probability that chance alone produced the observed association. So for example, if a p-value is 8%, then there's an 8% probability that chance alone produced the observed association. No, this is false. To say that chance alone produced the observed association is logically equivalent to asserting that every assumption used to compute the p-value is correct, including the null hypothesis. So as we saw in the last video, what we call a statistical model in this context is a set of assumptions plus the null hypothesis that we put together to compute the p-value. So to say that chance alone produced the observed association assumes that everything in the statistical model is true, including the null hypothesis. Thus, to claim that the p-value is the probability that chance alone produced the observed association is actually backwards. The p-value is a probability computed assuming chance was operating alone. We can appreciate the absurdity of this interpretation by asking ourselves how a p-value, which is a probability deduced from a set of assumptions, right, the statistical model, can possibly refer to the probability of those assumptions. So we have assumptions, we compute a p-value from them. The p-value cannot be the probability that the assumptions are true. I'll be going into more detail on the whole slew of common p-value misinterpretations for the simple fact that they're very widespread, they're used in every area of research basically, and researchers confront them every day. So I believe that it's important for non-statistician researchers and other consumers of statistical information that they be more familiar with the common pitfalls, misinterpretations that go along with these complex, tricky tools like the p-value. I believe this gives more credibility to the researcher and allows people that are not necessarily trained in statistics to be more comfortable and to be more confident when they're using or consuming statistical information. So follow if that's something that interests you.